Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter linear function. Lessons we're going to cover today are transformations of linear functions. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 10 maths. The chapter is linear functions, and here is the lesson transformations of linear function. Okay, here I'm on the lesson transformations of linear functions. Okay, so find g of x, where g of x is a translation 5 unit down of f of x equals x. So you have to translate the function 5 unit down. Here is the list of the transformations. Whenever you have to transform k unit down, you have to do f of x minus k. So basically the function is x, so it would be x minus 5. Got it? Then the next one is we find g of x. G of x is translation 7 unit down of f of x equals x. So again it is a translation 7 unit down. So you have to do f of x minus k. So it would be x minus 7. Got it? Okay, the next one is find g of x, where g of x is a translation 2 units down of f of x equals x. So basically the function is x. You have to translate 2 unit down, so you need to do x minus 2. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, find g of x, where g of x is a function, is a translation 5 unit down of f of x equals x. So you have to translate the function 5 unit down. So whenever you have to do the translation 5 unit down, it would be f of x equal f of x minus 5. The translation would be f of x minus 5. So f of x is x, so it would be x minus 5. Got it? The correct option is x minus 5. So that would be option number 1. Okay, find g of x, where g of x is the translation 8 unit down. So again, you have to do 8 unit down. So you have to do f of x minus k. So it would be, the translation is 8 units. So it would be x minus 8. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, find g of x, where g of x is the translation 8 unit up f of x equals 8. You have to do 8 unit up. That means you have to do x plus 8. Got it? Whenever you have to translate the function f, you have to do f of x plus k. So k is here 8 and function is x. So it would be x plus 8. The second option is the correct one. Okay, find g of x, where g of x is the translation 3 units down of f of x equals x. So it would be, the function is x, you have to translate 3 units down, so it would be x minus 3. So the second option is the correct one. Whenever you have to translate the function down, it would be f of x minus k. So k is 3, it would be x minus 3. Okay, The next one is find g of x, where g of x is a translation 7 units down of f of x equals x. So the function is x. You have to translate 7 units down. So you need to do x minus 7. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, find g of x, where g of x is a translation 10 unit up. Whenever you have to translate the function, you have to add. So it would be f of x plus k. So k is here 10 and f of x is x. So it would be x plus 10 is the correct. Okay, find g of x, where g of x is the translation 7 unit up. So that means you have to, again, it is the translation 7 unit up. That means you have to add. So it would be x plus 7. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, find f of x, where g of x is the translation 10 unit down. Whenever you have to translate the function 10 unit down, you have to subtract. So it would be f of x equals x. So you have to down, it would be x minus 10 is the correct option. Okay, find g of x, where g of x is the translation 4 unit up. 4 unit up means you have to add. So it would be f of x equals x. So you have to do x plus 4. It would be x plus 4. Okay, the next one is find g of x, where g of x is the translation 2 unit down. So for down, you have to subtract. So it would be f of x equals x. So it would be k minus f of x minus k. So k is 2. So it would be x minus 2. Second option is the correct one. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we were working on the chapter linear functions. The lesson is transformations of linear functions. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.